Channel Labib XP guys. So today I'm going to show you how to knock an enemy from a vehicle. So guys, look, like this jeep has 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 windows. Okay guys, 8 windows. From this window you can shoot the enemy like this. Okay guys, like this you can shoot from this window and they'll get easy knock. Not at this thing. Okay guys, this will protect the enemy guys, so don't shoot here. And if you guys are in front and the UAZ is coming guys, so you should take aim like this. Okay guys, let's burst the UAZ. Okay, let's burst the UAZ, then show you. Okay guys, from this MPs you can take a easy knock. And listen guys, if the enemy is far away from you, a bit far away. Why did the car go? My god. Dude. Okay, listen, same example for buggy, Dacia and Jeep, motorcycle, everything. Same example is, if the enemy is far from you, then you should, yes, like this, take the aim in just beat in front of the car. Okay guys, so it will easily connect with the enemy. Okay guys, so it is easily connected with the enemy like this, a bit, and it needs to connect with the enemy guys. If the car is going like this, you take this MPs and like this, yes, like this, it will give a easy knock guys. Before you're doing this guys, you should practice one thing I'm showing you guys. Wait guys, and sorry for my lackings in my talk guys, I'm really sorry guys, but this trick will help you to get a easy knock to the enemy from a vehicle guys. As you can see there, these things, this to this is almost like the windows of the car, almost. So guys, shoot from here. Sorry for the bad recoil control guys. Like this guys. Try this for weeks and hours. I'm still trying it and practicing it. I'm practicing it guys. I'm practicing it so much guys. Do this. Think this is the enemy car's window. Okay guys, shoot it like there, shoot there, and like this. This will give you a better aim, better recoil control, and you can take a easy knock to enemy. And guys, let's give an example of buggy guys. So as you can see, there is 2 seats of the buggy. There is one, and the driver seat. The driver seat is guys protected by this, the seat of the passenger. So guys, if you want to knock out the driver first, yes, it's really important to knock down the driver first before knocking out the enemy passenger. First you need to do is, yes, almost to the window. One thing I told you, that if the enemy is far away, spray like this. It needs to connect with the enemy guys. It's really important to connect it with the enemy. So do like this, and look, if it's like this angle guys, don't be panicked that the enemy will be not knocked. Will be not knocked guys. You should be confident and do like this here, like this, not like this guys. Move, because the buggy will also move. The driver will drive it as fast as he can. So guys, and it's very easy to take down the passenger guys, because he's literally in open guys. As you can see, in other vehicle there are some windshields over there. I gave an example of the windshield guys before at the UAZ. So guys, you can easily knock the enemy passenger like this, yes, like this, when the car goes. So guys, please practice this tip guys, please practice this one. This will literally give you a better aim, better recoil control, guys. Many things, it can give many improvement, guys. Many improvement, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video, guys. OMO is over. Well, guys, thank you for watching this video, guys. Literally, I hope you like this video, guys. Like and subscribe and press the bell button, guys, and share it with your friends so your friend can drill this and he can become a pro and take a easy knock from the car. As you can see, Bam Bam and his teammates knock enemy from the car, guys. It will be very easy like water if you do this drill, guys. If you do this drill, guys, and if you do this drill, guys, yes, if you do this drill, guys, I bet, guys, you can take a easy knock from the enemy. You should don't try this once, guys. Don't try it once, try it 100 times. Not, it's just joking, not 100 times. 2 weeks, give it 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks, you will become a perfect shooter to knock the enemy from the car, guys. I legit, guys. So guys, you should follow this drill. Hope you like this video, guys. Like and subscribe, I'm telling again, guys. So guys, bye, take care of yourself, and don't go outside, and if you go outside, you should wear mask and be alert, guys. So thank you for the watching video. Bye bye, guys. Next video will be coming soon. I think I'm preparing a montage for the next video, guys. See you.